that means 1, 2, and 3. So yeah. The ingredients in the reading are some salt. You'll need the salt for each one. I'm going to show you this. Any type of dial, any type of brand. I can't read it, but every type. Any type of swab. Swab kids. So yeah, I think we should start off with the dial and the salt. So you're going to start off by adding this little swivel to the front and this little straw to whatever you to get in trouble though. It's okay, I this stuff. The equate takes longer to like mix together. And you see how it's kind of forming this little pile of stuff here. How it's kind of forming this little form in the middle. Here, I'm about to show you and some salt. I don't want a lot of salt though. We don't like a lot of salt though. Now just mixing that with my other ones. So before I put this in the freezer, I'm just gonna mix all my ones that I've done so far. Just mix it again with a final mix before I put it back in the freezer. So the dial is pretty good. I think I mixed that pretty good, and our swab looks pretty good. And so does our one that starts with our E. That one looks pretty good too. They all look pretty good. So, okay, they all look pretty good. So, let's just, I will go put that in the freezer, and I'll wait. And then I'll go put that in the freezer real quick. And, so let me add more. Yeah, diet, I mean. Equate. Why do I keep on calling it Equate? Is that the name? Oh no. Well, that's the name for my world. Okay. Okay. That dial is more like jelly. So, and then I'm gonna make 2 swabs just in case the other one doesn't get so evenly spreaded, because they don't look evenly. Just gonna add in some salt. Not too much, just a little speck of salt. And just add that down. Finger, it kind of sticks still because we have it put in the freezer. But once we put it in the freezer, it should be not sticking like this. So yeah, let's I'll be right back, and I'm about to put it in the freezer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I put that in the freezer for 5 minutes. It has my 5 minutes left. Here's my mixing utensil I am gonna keep here. So I will be back in about 5 minutes, maybe a little over, but 1, 2, 3. Bye. See you in 5 minutes. So it has been 5 minutes, and I haven't looked at these yet. I have looked at them, but I haven't mixed them. So let's check on them. So this slime is pretty. Yes, making a video.
Use it up on the toothpaste?
No?
Here you go.
Okay. So just some slime. It's like more goopy-ish. Yes. But it's still like gooey. I don't like how it's gooey. Then there's this one that is really slimy now. It doesn't even stick to my hand. See that white one? Not awesome, but it's okay. Next we have this other swab, that one that we did, and this swab is pretty much good. Like yeah, it's pretty much slime now. It's not even sticking. You can pick it up. I would say swab works the best out of these slimes. See, it doesn't even stick. Just a little bit. So if that's like, let's see how good the white this other one is. Wow, this other one is awesome. Doesn't even stick at all. So I would give this slime a out of 1 out of 10, I would give this a 10. And I would give, and the other one 1 out of 10. The other Suave 1 out of 10. Give it an 8.9. So almost a 9, but it's 8.9. 8.9 and a 10. So this is a 10. See, this one is a 10. This one is a 8.9. This other one, hold on, sticky. This other one is an 8.9. Like 1 point away from being a 9, but so this one, it's pretty slimy. Slimy. But yeah, you know, you just gotta like make it. You just gotta play with it, even if you get your hands on it. You just gotta play with it in order for it to be, for later on, for it to be perfect. So you have to play with it. So I would say now it's a 9. No stickiness. Even though it's wet. Now I don't know why it's wet, but it's wet. I really like that it doesn't stick though, so I'm really proud of the results when I was playing with it, because usually it would be destroyed, but I only got that mess on me, so it's not a big mess, so that's a good sign. But I'm gonna say my favorite is this one. And then let me check out the other ones. The white one, the Equate thing, it was, I would give it a 4.3, and then our Dove, I think it was Dove. It was Dove, I think. I would give this one a 4.9. No, 6.7. So, in the end, all of them turned out pretty good. And when I say all of them, I mean all of them. Don't think that I only like just some. I like all of them. Because that would be kind of like Slimacist. So, I really hope you liked this video, and bye!